Okay, I'm going to show you how to unpublish a business Facebook. So when you're logged into your personal Facebook, this is mine. I'm going to use mine as an example. Click on this little arrow that points down. And when you click on it, it'll say your business page. So here it should say, for example, your business name as your business Facebook. So just go ahead and click on that. And then once you click on it, click on settings. Right here on the right hand side, it says settings, so click on settings. And under general, you'll see page visibility. So just hit edit and it will be published. So just go ahead and select unpublish and save changes. That will go ahead and unpublish your business Facebook account, so it won't be published, it won't be public. If you want to completely delete everything, scroll all the way down under general and delete your page. So you can go ahead and delete it here. If you just want to unpublish it, that way you can still access all your pictures and information, you can just leave it just unpublished, because it will just be for you. No one else will be able to see it. But if you want to completely delete it, you can also do this. Facebook may send you a notification that just to make sure you can reactivate it. But that's really all you have to do. Just hit unpublished and save changes. If you have any issues or you need help, always feel free to call 206-676-8510. Thanks.